welcome back to Substation 2.0. Today it's going to be another shoutout, but first I just want to say thanks to everyone that subscribed to my channel. And sorry for the noise in the background, got some children running around here. I'm on 400 subscribers now, and I lost 2 subscribers yesterday, but that's part of the package. So I just want to say thanks to everyone that helped me is watching my videos, because I'm currently on 25 views on my newest videos, both of them. So yeah, thanks for everyone that's watching my videos. Today's shout out goes to someone that's also a fellow South African, and yeah, he needs support. So I'm just gonna get it out there so you guys can go and check out his channel. And the name of the guy is FMZA. So this guy, he does a lot of gameplay videos where he plays different sort of games. I will show you the games now. As you can see, the first couple here, you can see it's Tomb Raider, Call of Duty Black Ops 3, and then here you can see Battlefield 4, The Division. But you just scroll down and see more. You see Fallout 4, more Black Ops 3. This one, Penumbra: Breath of Life. So he does a lot of different and it's also GTA, as you can see here. There's also a lot of different content he puts on, and I've seen with this the Division gameplay, there is a short message in the beginning where he says this is no commentary, there's no voiceovers, there's no editing or anything heavy editing done on this. This is just pure gameplay for people that wants to see the graphics of the game and see how it looks. So that's all of his gameplay he puts on here for his Division, and he's currently on 30 subscribers. I want him to get more. This guy deserves more. He's like I said, he's been active on my channel for the last couple of days. He's a new subscriber to me, so just go check out his channel and then support the guy. I'm gonna play like a minute or so from his new video, which you guys can go and check later on the full video if you want to. But go and support this guy, and here's the video. There's gonna be no sound in the video. I'm sorry for that. I can't get my sound to work, so yeah. But please go and support this guy. As you can see, he makes his own intros. So yeah, just thanks you guys for just go and support him. So for the rest of the video, it's gonna be only his gameplay, and I'm gonna stop it at around 1 or 2 minutes. So this is just me signing out, saying thanks for the support and enjoy this content. Once again, go and support him. He needs your support. So I'm gonna end it here.